Stop human rights violation.
Stop human rights violation.
تمام قد در کنار مردم بلوچ و نقض حقوق طبیعی و به حق ایشان را قویاً.
We are here today from all over the world, and we request all.
Stand with Mehrang Baloch and with all those who dare to resist.
Should be entwined with the struggle to liberate Baloch.
She is very important for us, and it's very important that the Canadian Baloch, the Canadian government, international community, European Union, and the United Nations, and the Working Committee for the Enforced Disappeared People group, the working over there, they should raise their voice internationally and pressurize the Pakistani government, the administration in Pakistan, and their different institutions who are holding Mehrang in prison. She is not safe over there. We have concerns that she was poisoned. Her health is deteriorating. Her health is getting bad. So she should be released immediately, unconditionally, without putting any conditions on civil rights and on her demands. Whatever she wants, she has so far not agreed with the Pakistani government that she should be released unconditionally. That's what we are demanding today.
Free Mehrang Baloch.
Free Mehrang Baloch.
Stop human rights violation.
Stop human rights violation.
تمام قد در کنار مردم بلوچ و نقض حقوق طبیعی و به حق ایشان را قویاً محکوم.
Let me be clear. This is the humanity committing by Pakistani army there.
We are here today from all over the world, and we request all of this nation from all over the world, like Pashtuns, Sindhis.
Release Mehrang Baloch.
Stand with Mehrang Baloch and with all those who dare to resist oppression.
Free Mehrang Baloch.
Free Mehrang Baloch.
Stop human rights violation.
Stop human rights violation.
تمام قد در کنار مردم بلوچ و